Today I'm going to talk about dynamic import. It is a function-like thing because allows you to import modules dynamically. Because in the modern front-end frameworks are becoming heavier every day, so probably you don't want to import everything initially at the beginning once you load the time, right? Once you load the page. So probably some of the components you may never use, or users may never use it, so you don't have to load it at the beginning. So this is the reason why we use dynamic import. So first, static import. Static import is just import something from right, but dynamic import is something like this. Suppose we have a button, ID is button, and it says click me, right, something like this, click me. And in this click me, we can get these elements first. That's btn document query selector btn, right? Now we get this button. We bend at event listener. When it is clicked, we have a function on this button. So what function? See, we want to import. Why it is function like? Because there is a bracket append this keyword, right? Appended this keyword. So import. So I have a file. We have used this from last class. There is a simple file, and export default Ajax function, right? So we use dynamic import. So we do custom module.js. We just okay. So what it returns is a promise object. So we can use then method. Let us print this first. Custom. Right. So when I click this, it returns a module object. In this module object, there is a default property, which is Ajax function, right? So default click me, right? This is a function. So if you want to use this, we can do let Ajax equal to res.default, right? Now we got this function, and we can Ajax. We pass a URL, which is static 19 callback la.js, and when we get the value return, we can just print this thing. Click MA, right? So this is the way we use a dynamic import, right? It doesn't load at the beginning when you load the page initially, right? click something, when you do something, when users interact with the page, it will load. It will be imported dynamically. Okay, so this is pretty much about the dynamic import today.